Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about the concept of circle and the terms related to it. So let us start. What is circle? Circle is a set of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point is a positive number r. That is, suppose this is a plane E. And what is circle? Circle is a set of points whose distance from given point P in the same plane is a positive number r. Point P is called the center of the circle and r is called the radius of the circle. So, a circle is defined as a set of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point P is a given positive number r. The point P is called the center of the circle and r is called the radius of the circle. Now, what is interior of the circle? Interior of the circle. Interior of the circle, the union of set of points whose distance from center is less than r and the point P, center. Interior of the circle is union of set of points whose distance from the center is less than r radius and the center. This is called interior of the circle. What is exterior of the circle? What is exterior of the circle? Exterior of the circle is the set of all the points whose distance from center is more than r. Exterior of the circle is defined as a set of points whose distance from center is greater than r. This is what exterior of the circle. What is circular region of the circles? Circular region is the union of circle and interior of the circle, called circular region of the circle. This circular region, the circle. This is called union of the circle and interior of the circle. Is called circular region. What is chord of circle? Chord is the line segment whose end points are on the circle. For example, this is the circle. Suppose this is the circle. This is the center. Then this point AB, which end points are on the circle, is called chord of the circle. What is secant? The circle. Is called what is secant? Secant is defined as the line which contains the chord. For example, this line AB is called secant. Secant of the circle. Line AB is called secant of the circle. And line segment AB is called chord. What is tangent? What is tangent? Tangent is a line which intersect the circle in one and only one point. What you call tangent. Is called tangent T. Line T which intersect the circle at one and only one point, then this line is called tangent. The intersection of this line and circle is only one point. Then this line will be called tangent to the circle. Now, what are circles tangent to each other? Circles tangent to each other. Two circles are said to be tangent to each other if they have same tangent. See the tangent line T, and both the circles are tangent to, this line is tangent to both the circles. Then these two circles are called tangent to each other. This is internally tangent. When their centers are on the same side of this tangent line, they are called internally tangent to each other. Internally tangent to each other. And if center lies on the opposite side of tangent line, such as this is the circle and this is the suppose this is the tangent line T and this is the circle tangent to each other. Centers are on the opposite side of tangent. That is called externally tangent circles. Externally tangent when centers are on the opposite side of tangent line, they are called externally tangent circles. What is concentric circle? Two or more circles having same center are called concentric. All these circles have same center, then such circle, two or more circles are called two or more circles are called concentric circles. Then they have same center. They are called concentric circles. Now let us discuss internal tangents to two circles and external tangents to two circles. Internal tangent to two circles with a tangent line which intersect their line of centers between the two centers. For example, this is one circle and this is another circle. Center is P1 and P2 and this is the center line passing through the two centers. The center line L1. Now internal tangent is this is the internal tangent T1. It intersects the center of line of center between the centers. See that line of centers and this line is tangent to both the circles. This is called internal tangent. This is called internal tangent. And what is external tangent? External tangent is the tangent line. T2 is the external tangent which does not intersect the line of centers between the centers. This is called external tangent. Tangent to two circles. When it does not intersect the line of center between the centers, then it is called external tangent to two circles. And what is diameter of the circle? The circle, the diameter, is a chord which contains the center of the circle. Suppose this is the center P, then chord passing through the center is called diameter. Now we will discuss what is arc of circle. Suppose there are 2 points on the circle, C and D in the center. The 2 points C and D, these are not on the diameters, different from diameter. They are 2 points on the circle. Then what is arc? Arc CD is the union of C and D and all the points on the circle between the interior of the angle CPD. And what is arc? Minor arc? Minor arc is union of C, D and all the points on the circle in the interior of angle CPD. All the points in the interior of this angle on the circle and C and D, union of C, D and all the points between C, D on the circle is called minor arc. And major arc is union of C, D and all the angles on the circle which are on the exterior of angle CPD or major arc. Union of CD and all the points on the circle which are in the exterior of angle CPD. This is called major arc. And measure of arc is angle subtended at the center by the arc is called measure of an arc. Here measure of arc, minor arc is measure of this angle CPD. And this is also called central angle. Angle subtended at the center is called central angle. This is called central angle. Angle subtended at the center by an arc. Central angle. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.